Hey guys! Welcome back! Isa sa mga sumisikat na game ngayon is a game called Farlight 84. And if you are a Huawei user like me, minsan may encounter ka na mga apps and games na hindi mo malaro kahit na-download mo na sa Google Play Store, kagaya nitong Farlight. Well, don't worry kasi sa video na to, I will show you how to install Farlight 84 on your Huawei phone. Before we begin, if you are someone that loves unboxing videos, tech news, and tutorials like this one, please consider subscribing. Kasi nag-upload ako ng mga exciting and informative videos regularly. Okay, I already have G-Space and Gbox installed. And trinay kong i-download yung game from both apps. So, eto yung Play Store sa Gbox. And eto naman yung Farlight app na dinownload ko using this app. Ito naman sa kanan yung G-Space app. And since wala siyang shortcut sa home screen, you can access the Play Store by opening the app. So, dinownload ko siya. And ito naman yung Farlight app na in-install ko using G-Space. The problem is that on both versions, na-install ko siya. Pero pag binuksan ko yung app, may problem ako na na-encounter. Let me show you. Click natin yung Farlight. Pag open niya, click Start. Then, pag itatry ko na mag-sign in, bigla na lang siyang mag-force close. So, I did some research, tried a couple of things, and finally, I found a fix. What you need to do is to open your browser and then go to apkpure.com. Ito yung page na makikita nyo. Click nyo lang tong green button to download the APK Pure app. Pagtapos na, click on these three dots on the upper right. And then click on Downloads. Click nyo lang, then install. Next, open the APK Pure app and then type Farlight sa search box. Kung makikita nyo, may tatlong lumalabas na iba-ibang versions ng game. Etong pinakauna yung dinownload ko. Pwede nyo ring i-download yung ibang version kung sakali na hindi gumana yung unang version sa phone nyo. So, click nyo to para magsimula na yung download. To check the status of your download, click nyo lang tong arrow sa upper right and then click on the download tab. Pagtapos na, click install. So here you will see the version of the Farlight app na dinownload natin from APK Pure. Open natin para matry natin kung gumagana. Okay, so nitry ko na i-link yung email ko para maklaim ko yung bonus diamonds. Pwede nyo ring i-link yung ibang social media accounts nyo like Facebook or TikTok para naman maklaim nyo yung free diamonds kasi sayang din yan. Okay, let's try to match up para makita natin if working ba yung game. So as you can see, gumagana naman yung game sa Y90 ko. I've played multiple games na rin sa phone ko. And so far, wala naman akong issues na na-encounter. Dati kasi may na-install akong game, tapos gumagana naman siya, kaso may delay and medyo laggy. So in short, hindi rin siya playable. So far, dito sa Farlight, smooth naman yung gaming experience ko. Okay, a quick reminder before we end this video. As you can see, the game is running smoothly. And this method is 100% working when I uploaded this video. In the future, pwede kayong maka-encounter ng mga issues. Or baka hindi na siya gumana kasi nagkakaroon ng software updates or naiba yung version ng game. You can message me on my Facebook page. Or you can leave a comment here and I'll make sure to reply. So that's the end of the video and I hope you guys liked it. Thumbs is a plus, subs is a must. I'm the Unboxing Tito and I will see you next time.